all. Today we are going to discuss about the cloud dashboard of Bloom Rounding Router. Here is the window to log into the cloud dashboard. Here we can type our email address and the password to log into the device. So here we can see different analytical data regarding the router. And first one is here we can see the data which is used by our device for last few days. And also there is a chart which represents upload and downloading on the various times. Also, next section, we can monitor a weekly data usage. Here we can change our date and monitor data which is used in specific time. And also there is a map. In this map, uh, there is a GPS map in this cloud dashboard. Here we can see the location of the device. So, and next section is connected clients. In this section, we can see number of devices which connected to our router. So now there are two devices connected to our router, maybe through Wi-Fi or through LAN. And next section is devices. Sometimes a single user is purchasing multiple devices. Here we can see the list of devices which is purchased by the specific user. So here the user purchased only one device, so we can see only one entry. In this device section, we can see two buttons, settings and analytics. So we can access these two buttons from here, or if you want we can access from the device option which is here on the left side. In device section, we can see the status of the complete status of the product. Like we can see the MAC address, the battery status, the name and the status. Here the status is online, that means the device is turned on and is connected to server. And here the status button, if we click the status button, we can see analytical data of the device, like the data usage and the SIMs which is connected to a device. So also we can see some battery status, and also the settings and analytics button is also here. So from here also we can access the same. And here the three SIMs are connected to a device, so we can see that three SIMs: Vodafone, Airtel, Vodafone, and one SIM is inactive. That means the device has only three SIMs. We didn't connect the fourth SIM. If we connect the fourth SIM, it should be there. So now, we can move to that analytics section by clicking this button. The analytical section windows opens. Then here we can see some analytical data of the device along with the data overview. In this diagram, it represents the data from each SIMs, how it participates in bonding, like that. And also in next section we have that connected clients, which means number of devices which is connected to our Bloom router. And there is a reserved IP section. By clicking that reserve IP button, that IP of that specific device will be reserved. And also a port forwarding option also here. Okay, now we can move to settings page by clicking the settings button. In settings button, we can see some more details of our device. There is an option for reboot the device, which means we can remotely reboot our device by clicking this button. And we can see some data of our device, like device name. The customer can change the device name, but the customer can't change the MAC address, serial number, firmware versions and the kernel versions of the device. And next section is Wi-Fi settings. In Wi-Fi settings, the customer can change the Wi-Fi SSID and the password of the Wi-Fi. Also there is a LAN setting. Here the customer can change the IP range and DHCP range, and also the customer can choose the customer can select the DNS server 1 and server 2. And next section is bonding setting. In bonding setting, we can change the data center. Like the customer is traveling from Mumbai to Delhi, he can choose the data center which is near to him. In a way, we can reduce the latency and improve the performance of the device. And next section is loading and load balancing and bonding. In this section, we can choose from bonding and load balancing, which means if the device is in bonding, every SIM will participate in data transferring. But if we put the device in load balancing, the bus SIM only participate in data transferring, all other SIMs will be inactive. The customer can choose according to their need and the situation. Next section is we can't change the server IP and the status and everything. After changing the device name and everything which the customer required, they should update. They should click the update button, and it will take nearly 30 seconds to update the settings changes with which the customer made. So now we can move to the speed test. Here on the left side we can see a option for speed test. By clicking the menu, the window will open up. From here we can do a speed test. So now we can move to the next section, that means your profile. In this section the customer can change the full name, email ID, company name and phone number. They can add the phone number, password, everything. Next section is logout. We can log out from the cloud dashboard. And next one is contact support. In contact support, the customer can reach to our contact customer success team for raising a query, or if they have some doubts they can raise a complaint or anything we can do from here.